for any assistance that you may deem necessary. We may not be able to assist you as efficiently as you may want, but we promise that we'll do our best. We'll give it our all, we'll do our best, and we are open. You can reach us on telephone. We are in the process of establishing and some IT in terms of establishing Twitter, Facebook, and any other method that can facilitate interface between the embassy and Zimbabweans in the diaspora. We count on the diasporans that we will together turn back our country to the citadel as it was before, the bread basket of Southern Africa. And we believe that with the help of the diasporans in Botswana, we have stayed that much. We can also help to attract a lot of investment from your Botswana colleagues so that we can together build Zimbabwe to what it was once again. But we are open, we are here for documentation, we are here for any other assistance that you may deem you want from us. And whatever you want us, wherever you want us, we are free also to travel to where you are to explain on what we do and our role to yourselves. And thank you.
Yes.